Girl, listen. You can binge all the survival YouTube videos and TikToks you want, but until you've slept in a tent with one shoe missing, tried to light a fire in the rain, and peed behind a tree at 2 a.m., you don't really know. Camping is not just a hobby, it's survival rehearsal. And in this episode, we're talking about why you have to get uncomfortable on purpose if you want to be ready when life goes sideways. The top 3 reasons most people fail in a real survival scenario: overconfidence, failure to adapt, and failure to think creatively. They never felt what it's like to be wet, cold, and hungry all at the same time. They never figured out how to actually set up that tent they bought online. They never realized how dark the woods get until they're standing there with one dying flashlight battery. Camping humbles you in the safest way. It lets you feel your limits before it's life or death. You can watch all the YouTube tutorials, even mine, but until you do it, your body doesn't learn. When you camp, you practice. Building fires in real conditions: wind, rain, and snow. Setting up shelter, tarp, tent, or whatever's available. Cooking over an open flame outdoors. Packing and carrying what you actually need versus what just looks cute. Sleeping in unfamiliar places, because panic loves to visit at 3 a.m. Every trip out makes you sharper, calmer, and faster. Survival is more than knowledge, it's endurance. How far can you actually hike with your bug-out bag before you need a break? How does your body react to skipping a meal or two? How well do you stay focused when you're freezing or drenched in sweat? You can't discover this sitting on your couch. Camping lets you test your mental and physical walls while you're still safe enough to tap out if you have to. Don't think you have to go full naked and afraid your first time out. Start with daytime camping in your backyard with your family or friends. Then try it at night. Then try going to a public campground. No electric hookups, just the basics. Gradually go farther. Hike in sites and winter camping. Every level up builds not just skills, but confidence. When you face bugs in your food, storms in your tent, and still made it through, your brain learns something powerful. I've done hard things before. I can do this again. That mindset is gold in a crisis. Camping teaches you to improvise, to stay calm, and to trust yourself, and that's survival currency money can't buy. So sis, hear me out. Every camping trip is like a survival rehearsal. You'll learn what gear really matters, which snacks keep you sane, and where you personally break, and how to push past it. Don't wait for the disaster to be your first time roughing it. Go outside now, make the mistakes now, laugh at yourself now. So later, when it counts, you're ready. Drop a tent emoji in the comments if you're down for a survival skills weekend challenge. I might just host one. And until next time, stay ready, stay learning, and try something new. Love you, sis.